train. And we're leaving Frontierland and we're going to Fantasy.
Set sail on into
Hey guys, back with Emma, and we are off to the train finally, and we are in this thing for Taylor can get a new little portable charger. Look at the princess. You know what?
Nope.
The pretty castle.
Go to your right a little bit.
Now we are going to the go-kart, then we are going to Splash Mountain, and then Big Thunder, and then we're going to get a call back for, like, since I have disabilities in a wheelchair and stuff, they're going to let us get, like, you know, they're going to let us get, for the wait time is, they let us come back at that much time, and then they let us use it as like kind of a fast pass. And so then once we're done with go-karts, we're gonna go to Splash Mountain with our fast pass. And then we're gonna go to Big Thunder, which I also have a callback for. And then we're gonna get a callback for Mine Train, which is like the 7 Smith ride at Disney. So yeah. That's the go-karts.
Yeah.
For you?
Oh, no.
Oh. It must not, she said.
See how close Mom is? It's doing it itself.
This girl does not know how to drive. Why would I pick to drive with her? Bro! I was just saying, Grace, go!
I didn't mean to!
Don't let me break another thing! Don't let me break another thing! About to make me break my other foot! Oh, Grace, do you do good at driving?
Yes,
Her answer is no. Her answer is no!
Alright guys, we'll see you back when we're done when we get off, okay?
Bye! Okay, we are back. We just got off the ride. So yeah. Can't wait until we go on Splash Mountain. But like if y'all come Splash Mountain's really cool, but I really don't think we can bring the camera because it splashes a lot.
Any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
How did you like it?
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Is it over?
Nope.
It was fun.
That was really fun. But I thought that
Splash Mountain is next.
I thought that was a huge drop, so that's why I was like,
You can't bring that on Splash Mountain, can you? I'll put him in my bag. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Here we go!
It's a big spin. I know, it spins a lot. You got nothing.
wish y'all could see it, but our camera's not waterproof, so we can't let you see it. So, yeah, and I'm super excited to go on Splash Mountain, but I'm all dry and
Trying to get across, so
I literally have to get soaked. And
people are gonna come at us.
but I am all dry, and now I have to get soaked in water again, which I really don't feel like getting soaked in water again, but at least it's really, really fun. But I almost fell out the cart once. Jeez. Hi guys, so it's really, really dark.
There's 30 bucks.
But this, I'm going to show you all the castle because the fireworks are about to come in. So I'm going to just go real quick and show you all the castle. I'm right here from Cancel. Here it is. Are you ready? You ready?
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us.
So, yeah. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, yeah. So, yeah. Yeah.